So now I'm telling the difference between the poisonous and non-poisonous snake. So we will go stepwise. Step 1. Step 1 is you look at the belly of the snake. Okay, first look at the belly scales. If belly scales are small, like they shown in this picture, or belly scales are large but do not cover the entire breadth of the belly, then it is a non-poisonous snake. Or if belly scales are large, like in this picture, this third picture from up, if belly scales are large and they cover the entire breadth of the belly, then there are two possibilities. It can be poisonous or non-poisonous snake. To differentiate this, go to next step. In the next step, look at the head scales. If head scales are small, like in this picture, it is a non-poisonous snake. But if head scales are large, like in this picture, you look at the side of the face. So this is the side of the face. In the side of the face, if there is a pit between the eye and the nose, then it is a pit viper, a poisonous snake. Or there are three scales and third being the largest and touches the eyes on one side and nose on the other side, like in this picture, again it is a poisonous snake. But if these two features are not there, then go to the next step. You look at the back scales. If central row of scales on the back is enlarged, like in this picture, the central row of scales on the back is enlarged, then it is a poisonous snake. If this feature is not there, look for the another feature. So this is another feature, that is infralabial. If there are four infralabial and fourth being the largest, again it is a poisonous snake. But if these features are not there, like these, this four infralabial feature, central row of scales on the back, this third infralabial touches the eyes and nostril, this pit, then in spite of being large head scales, it will be a non-poisonous snake.